What's going on, y'all? It's your boy JustoT. I'm back here with Deadspace 2. Last time we was here, we used the liquid nitrogen to make the enzyme that was needed to put into the Wheezers so that it could go to the main source of the issues here. Not sure how to really explain that, but let's go ahead and move on. We did 2 of the Wheezers. I think we have 6 more left. That's a ridiculous amount, so that means we're going to be fighting quite a bit today. But if you're a returning viewer but not a subscriber, I hope you subscribe to the channel. Just know that we're getting into some gory shit. My girlfriend and my sister told me I should warn people that this game is gory. So yeah, anyways, let's hop into it, man. Hope everybody's having a great day. Let's have an even better one now. Alright, so we gotta go to this refrigeration thing. Hold on. Am I locked and loaded? Alright, if this shit don't got no bullets, we need to get it out of here. That's too big of a space to not have some shit about to happen. Too big of a damn space. We have another node. Nice. I think we used all the nodes last time. Got some money here. Alrighty. What's about to happen? Damn.
Entering zero gravity.
Oh. Come on, don't make the beat drop like that. What's going on? Oh man. Oh. What am I supposed to use? Kinesis. Yeah, open that shit up. Oh. There's another one. Where did it go? Bastard, you're alive. I hear you. I hear you, you rat bastard. You rat bastard! There's another one though. I thought I killed the second one. You fucking... Well, at least I told you guys it was gory. That's not where I'm supposed to go. I'm supposed to go this way. Here. Oh, man. Hoy. Bro, it's in your face! Now, what was it? Okay, so some credits. There was another one, was there not? There it is. Oh, that must... What was it? Oh man, I didn't see what it was. Alright, so where I'm supposed to go now. Being in suspended space, I don't know what to say actually. This is kind of weird. Oh. Didn't see this. There's gonna be some more fuckery in here, isn't it? Hey. Oh. There's someone else. Where are you? Where art thou? You bitch. Oh, damn. Oh, okay, hold on. Bruh, is that not how you kill this thing? Bro, switch guns. Oh, here we go. Jesus Christ. Inject the enzyme. Told you we were going to be fighting quite a bit today. I could have used this the whole time. Could have used that too. Alright, why is it shaking like that? Alright, so I don't get nothing for this bullshit? Oh, cool. I don't even think I have... Oh, I do have something. Alright, cool. That's alright. Bring that with us. At least this would destroy and do something. Oh wait, which way? Alright, yeah, we gotta go back. What? Motherfucker. Nice. I guess we'll be out of environmental hazard when the Wheezers are gone. The hell? Oh shit. Why? I'm running. I never used this gun out. Oh, you bitch! Is that it? Alright. Oh, he self-destructed and I don't get nothing for it? Oh, okay, I was about to say. Do I gotta change the circuit breaker or no? Oh, it looks like it. It said jungle. Bitch, I didn't mean to do that. Jungle ambiance could have been turned off. I chose not to do it. Because look at this shit. If this shit wasn't here, it would be much scarier. Alrighty. About to go up into this wheezing bitch.
Toxic hazard detected.
Why would you lift a body?
Isaac, where are you? Help me.
It's not this easy. I guess it is that easy.
Toxic hazard clear.
Oh, wrong gun, but here, let's do it again. Yeah, bitch. Oh, stomped on the wrong body. Oh well. Things happen. Shouldn't have died. Ah, cool. So we go through here now. Alrighty. Try and make sure I don't, you know, miss anything.
Isaac, I looked up Cross's notes on the... Oh, God. Oh, my God.
Kendra?
It is him. 2 doors behind you. Karen. Wait. He's gone. He waved at me. And... sorry, Isaac. Keep going. Just a glitch on the cameras. It looked like my little brother.
She lying like shit. Wasn't no damn glitch.
That's not possible.
She lying like shit. Okay. Guess I... Hold on. Damn, I'm wasting bullets, bruh. How many of them bullets do I got? Yeah, you fucking up. Can't be fucking up these bullets. Maybe I'm just not supposed to hit that right now. Come with me. I can only assume we're going there. Oh, shit. And what if I go over here? What y'all gonna do? Oh, fuck.
Hazardous anomaly detected. Activated.
Hold on. That shit's not doing nothing to him. I was about to say run, Isaac, but he's really not running. Try to go back upstairs. I'm a clown. Ripper blades ain't gonna do shit to this thing. Oh. What the fuck is going on? Fuck. Oh wait, what's this? Yeah, fuck that. Fuck it, I'm gonna use all the rest of my fire. I don't think the flame does anything to him though, now that I think about it. Where am I at? I'm not moving. I don't think I could beat it.
Security card required.
Wow. What is this? Which way is he going? Oh. Where am I going with this? Am I supposed to be putting it in here? Yes. Fuck, there you go. Taking the scenic route and shit.
Security
Still can't do nothing about it.
required.
Oh shit, he's shooting at me. What was the point of me putting that in there? I mean, at least I tried something. Uh oh. Sound like something else is around. Oh, hold on. Some credits. That don't do nothing for me. Oh, it turns back on power to this? Hell no, it did not. Damn. Let's try the Ripper Blades. Yeah, that's just not gonna work. So I used my last damn, pretty much using all my ammo. What's this? Oh yeah, maybe this will work. That, don't know what just happened. It don't let it get through it though. Luckily I could play Ring Around the Rosie for a while. So I figured some shit out. That got him? That's insane.
Quarantine lifted.
I knew y'all were waiting in the fucking cut because I kept hearing y'all. Gee whiz. Gee whiz. I am decimated on weapons. Or ammo, I should say. I could have gotten this shit the whole time. It was two of them too, just laying in a cut. And I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to be going through here. No, bitch, that's not what I meant. What am I? What button do I press? Jesus. Oh my goodness, alright. Oh, my bad. My bad.
Toxic hazard.
So we did 5 Wheezers now. 3 of them today. Bunch of Ripper Blades. Oh. You a bitch. I used a Ripper Blade just to get one back. I'm alright with it. I probably should have waited to use that stasis, but you know, I didn't want to have to use it at a time where I needed it and couldn't use it. What? Now you easy work. Where's your buddy at? Because there has to be another one. Oh. That's not where we just came from, is it? Oh, it is. Where are we going? Yeah, give me that. Fuck, thought you was hiding up there? I saw you before. I was just running for my life. I forgot I was supposed to be doing that at some point. Did it free up enough stuff for me? It did not. feel like I just saw another place where I could. Yeah, maybe. Oh, damn. I got something for it. Hell yeah. Let's see. Nah, that's crazy talk.
Toxic hazard detected.
Oh, I got a key card and the stasis recharge. Like I said, I fucking knew some bullshit would happen. I can't do anything about this. I gotta clear something up so I can get to this Wheezer. But I got that little card now, so we actually can go back. Hi. Come on. Run. There we go. Circuit repair. Gravity. There we go. I think.
Entering zero gravity.
Alright. Bruh, I love the ripper blades. Oh. I thought I heard another thing. There we go. I got a trophy called a cut above. I guess it's from using the ripper blades. I'm not sure. But now with that being said, I feel like I can come up here and do this. Because maybe they just didn't want me doing it before. That is not the case. Someone else. I don't see where they're at though. Bruh, that could be the only spot to throw this type of shit. Hey, yeah, they're bullshitting, but let me go up here. It looks like something's up here. Bro.
Toxic hazard detected.
Oh. You alright, bitch. You've been getting up close and personal and fucking with me. Oh, shit. Motherfucker. Anyway, where's this Wheezer at? Got him. Damn. I already got bad fucking eyes. Can't be doing this shit to me. My goodness.
Toxic hazard cleared.
An audio log? I was like, what is this?
Please cross. Hydroponics.
Oh, she about to die.
I need to record their names. Bianca. Holly. Antonov. Mark. So many. I don't know how much gas they took in. I just saw them change. That crack when their lungs burst out like flowers.
I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna need her to get off my phone with that crying shit.
Jacob. I love you. And I'm so scared because I know how to kill the Leviathan.
Oh, yeah?
So I have to stay until it's paid for every single one of them.
Oh, shit. She not playing no. Wait, hold on. I didn't know I had ammo for everything. I was like, load up. Alright, tell me to go in here. So let's go to air filtration. I think I've been in here before. But I didn't go far because I was like, fuck that. Yeah, let me go ahead and say this shit. Alright, let's get to Wheezer number 7, man. Clearly not this way. Gee whiz. Feel like just something just has to happen in here. And I can't run. I haven't used the plasma cutter in so long, bro. What the fuck? Let me shoot him, coach. Damn, bro. So should I have even tried to shoot it? Oh. I was shooting that motherfucker. I'm gonna just take it as a sign that we need the plasma cutter, man. About to get yoked up again. Nah, there ain't no way you fucking get to blow that shit up and don't get anything from it. Alright, now to actually walk through this shit.
Just the repair mission they said.
Aye.
Not this. Not seeing my dead brother on the fucking cameras. All this death. Imagine what the marker could do in the wrong hands.
This is about CEC again.
Just thinking. If some corporate asshole tries to take the marker, you and me could do something about it.
You're leaning pretty hard.
Shut up. Cause I'm starting to fucking feel like you a part of this shit too.
What's he doing?
She always blaming Hammond.
Focus or run out of air before it
I actually seen Hammond since everything started. I haven't seen her ass. Where the fuck is she at? What is this? Is this a flare? Yeah, give me all that shit. Give me all the money I got. Give me all the ripper blades and all the nodes. Okay, so this looks like I'm going to here. Yeah. Cheating. Yeah, like we about to be going upward, and I don't like that.
Entering zero gravity.
I guess I'll die. Where are you? No.
Exiting zero gravity.
You're not about to be hitting me, and I don't know where you at. You're not about to be hitting me, and I can't see you.
Entering zero gravity.
Fucking bastard. What's over here? Oh, nothing? It was just for that? Oh, okay. Now, what the ham biscuits do I do to get around this? I don't use stasis, do I? Oh, wow. Where's the second one? Oh, you bitch. Hey. Oh. I see you, motherfucker. Bro. Maybe that was a different. Oh, I got a schematic. There's another one I'm not seeing. That's not the way I was supposed to go? Oh, damn. Where's the other little bastard at? It clearly doesn't see me because it's not hitting me. So let me Oh. I figured out. Yo! Wait, where am I landing? Can't see worth shit. Can't see worth shit. What?
Entering zero gravity.
And your bitch ass still alive.
Zero gravity.
Turbine control. Yes. Don't even know why I'm doing that. What'd I say about Leviathan? I thought it said something about Leviathan. I'm tripping. I see something. No.
Zero gravity.
Yeah, I know. Is that another one? No, it's not. Man, some fucking credits.
Gravity.
I'm going this way, aren't I? Okay. Wheezer number 7, all the way out the way, bro. This is taking too long.
Warning. Thermodynamic purifiers malfunctioning. Stand clear of filtration tubes.
What if I don't want to stand clear? Oh shit. See what they mean. So we gotta get over there, but we gotta go down here. It's some bullshit. Yep. That shit. Oh no. Oh hell no. I didn't realize that's what we were doing.
Warning. Thermodynamic purifiers malfunctioning. Stand clear of filtration tubes.
Jesus. Oh no. I ain't got time for this. Really don't got time for this. Y'all can follow me, I don't care. See? Told you I ain't had time. Stupid asses. Dummy. Yeah, dummy.
Filtration tubes.
So we made it through that little part right there. We're gonna be on the other side. Yep. I was like, y'all not. Damn it! Keep doing it, dumb shit. But there, it looks like there was something in here, so I'm going over here. Wait. Uh oh. Uh oh. What's up, cuz? You one of the regulars, bruh. I ain't afraid of you. Pussy. So Wheezer number 7 is over there. Not going over there yet. I want to see what's over here.
Warning. Thermodynamic purifiers malfunctioning. Stand clear of filtration tubes.
It's essentially, I guess this is for when we were on our way back. Yeah, because it's just clearing this shit up. Text log. Let's see who it's from. We haven't seen that doctor in a while. Who the fuck is this? Technical manual? I got some rig, but I don't think it's the rig that I... Maybe it is a rig that I need, but I'm not going there yet. Now, what if I don't want to go there yet? What if I want to come over here? Let me just take a peek. What the hand biscuits? Alright, we're not going to do that. Maybe I should though. Hold on. Let's see if there's a safe spot.
Thermodynamic purifiers malfunctioning.
Oh, hell no.
Clear of filtration tubes.
Just a fucking... Alright, let's get to this next Wheezer, bro. I'm trying to get all the Wheezers, but this video getting long now. Oh. Take this shit, Wheezer.
Toxic hazard clear.
Motherfucker try to sneak up on me. Like I don't hear your ass growling. And they keep giving me plasma energy. Like they're just like, yeah, plasma energy about to be the whole thing again. So, alright. But I guess this is why I didn't go over here. Because now Wheezer 8 is around this way. You know, I still got a fear that I'm going to get attacked in here one day. I'll never have my guard down. Actually, I'd be lying. I'd be sitting here just letting it go. What the fuck? No. Oh, hell no.
Please, I need you. Help me.
Shut up, Nicole. Well, that's not even Nicole, probably. You ain't gonna get me again. Injecting it. Inject him! That's all the Wheezers, bruh. Oh shit.
Leviathan's metabolism is slowing.
Cross. Something's up.
It must have worked. You gave it enough enzyme to dissolve a freighter. Okay, I'm unlocking food storage. Quickly get back there and space the bastard while we have the chance.
She got me fucked up. Cause you know what I'm about to do? I'm about to find a
Zero gravity.
Anyways, I'm about to find a safe station and call it a day. Which way am I supposed to go? Upward? Oh, alright. What the fuck going on? I thought I was getting attacked, but I'm not. Up, told her. First fucking. Wait, where am I going? Yeah, no, we ain't doing that, bruh. So we about to go ahead and call it a day, man. Chapter 6 is still in effect, unfortunately. But I'm pretty sure early in the gameplay next time is going to be Chapter 7, whatever that will be. With that being said, oh man, gotta stretch it out. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you liked the video. I hope you subscribe to the channel so you can see the rest of this. I don't know how many more chapters we have. Maybe Chapter 7 is going to be the end, but I'm not sure. Regardless, I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. I realize I already asked y'all to subscribe, so yeah.